Here's a 2016 Cadillac Escalade. For a life well lived and every expectation fulfilled. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Ecotec 3 engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, ultrasonic park assist, entertainment system with Blu-ray, Apple CarPlay, heated steering wheel, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.